If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe. We'll first make the pancakes, so for that take 1 1/4 cup of warm milk and add 2 tablespoons butter. I'm using salted butter here. Take 1 1/2 cup all-purpose flour or maida and add 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt. Give this a good mix. Now add the milk mixture which we had prepared. We need to make a lump-free and smooth batter. This batter looks perfect. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop to pour this batter on the tawa, but you can also use a normal spoon. An ice cream scoop makes it very easy to pour the pancake batter. Heat a tawa or skillet and then pour the pancake batter. If you want, you can also put some butter or oil. Once you see a few bubbles, flip the pancake. You can see it has become very nice and golden brown on this side. The pancakes are now done. I'm going to take these out in a plate. Similarly, you need to make more pancakes. Depending on the number of desserts you want, you can make more pancakes, or you can have these pancakes just like that with honey or chocolate syrup. Now here in a serving bowl, I'm placing a pancake. Make some holes using a fork. Now pour some syrup made with 2 tablespoons sugar and 3 tablespoons water. This will moisten the pancake and it would taste very nice in this dessert. This is chocolate spread. You can use chocolate ganache also. You can use Hershey's or Nutella chocolate spread. Some whipped cream, few pieces of chopped fresh strawberries. Now take another pancake and make some holes. Place it over the strawberries and pour some sugar syrup. Finally decorate this with some whipped cream. Place a few pieces of fresh strawberries and our first pancake strawberry dessert is ready. Let's move to the next one. Similar to the first one, add a pancake, make some holes and pour some syrup. Then put some chocolate spread or ganache. Some whipped cream. Add a few slices of bananas in this dessert cup. Again some more whipped cream. And chocolate spread or ganache, another layer of pancake and syrup, and finally again some whipped cream. These dessert cups are very easy to make and taste heavenly. And finally dust some instant coffee powder and this easy peasy dessert is ready. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy!